Welcome back, you guys, to another video. I can't wait. I finally got one of my favorite mods. I'm kind of easing out my OEM Plus era, I guess you guys want to call it like that. And I actually found this hood for a very good price. The personnel who did this, he's an awesome person. He's actually a DJ, my bad. And basically, he had this sitting in his garage, and he hit me up. He's like, "Yo, James, do you want to cop this?" And I was like, "Damn, like, you know, I own a company. It's hard for me to just you know, start spending unnecessary money on mods because I don't really need this. You know, you're only shaving off 7-8 pounds from the OEM hood." So I said, let's do it. And so he actually held it down for about a month. So he's a real person, you know, he real for that. And I was able to purchase it, and it should take us no more than 6-7 minutes to do. He did say might have to drill where it clips onto the hood where you actually close it, but I have the drill. It shouldn't be an issue, and let's do that. All right, you guys, I just finished the hood. It looks sick. The gaps are not bad, actually. I could say fitment wise, I give it a 9 out of 10. The reason why 9 out of 10 is because if you guys look over here where it gets to the fender, it's just about, you have to squeeze your finger in there, but it's really not that bad. It's really not that bad. Everything looks good so far. This is what I was worried most about, this area and the front. It actually fits pretty damn well. If you guys looking for the measurements of the nuts and screws for, you know, that holds the hood, they're all going to be 12s minus the hinge itself that actually clips down onto the car is going to be, I believe, a 10 mil. Hardness, I would say this is a 2 out of 10. This is the easiest thing I've done so far, and it looks freaking sick. I bought it for a very good price. Now we're just gonna give the car a good wash, and you guys will see the pictures on Facebook and Instagram how the car looks washed. You guys, thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Have a great day. Peace.